Not yet. Not yet. And yeah, see. More. In here. Da da da. Yeah. Here, yummy. You can make your own. It's not hard for one. And then boil some water and add some romaine lettuce. And you have a bowl of chicken noodle. Hot, fast, hot, and yummy and cheap. The cost of the noodle box is $1.07, and the chicken, the whole chicken, about $5. So I got only one left. So I got about 1/6 of the chicken, so it's $1 for the chicken. So it's a total of $2.07, and the water, hot water, electric, all stuff is $2.50 for you. And add some hot sauce if you want. $2.50. You can have it anytime, at home, at night, in the middle of the night. Oh, some lettuce too. If you have another vegetable, add in. If you like any vegetable, you add in. That's it. That is kind of healthy. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Da 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 da. Okay, now let me eat it.